Just a quick review of a Panasonic RE-7300. It's probably late 60s, early 70s. I got this donated by a fellow that picked up a sound design receiver that I just recently restored. This was barely working, so he donated it since he knows I repair stuff. I had to give it all the controls needed cleaned with deoxit, and that was the main problem it had, so that made it function properly. And then it was a garage radio, so it was super dirty. So I had to deep clean everything. These knobs were extremely dirty. Speakers, grills were dirty. I mean, everything was just coated in oil and dirt and grease. This wood was, you couldn't even, I mean, it was super dirty. I should have taken a before video, but this is a pretty cool stereo, as it has a, for being a small stereo, the internal speakers actually have these brown RCAs that go into the radio stereo and connect to the internal speakers, so you can plug them into that outlet, or you can unplug them and plug in some external speakers. It's pretty cool. And right now I have a Bluetooth receiver plugged into the phono input, which is basically your auxiliary. It's got antenna connection. Made in Japan. Missing one screw. I'll dig one out. I have one somewhere. But yeah, it's all around cool looking, nice radio for like a garage or a bathroom, or it's a nice little small radio. It doesn't sound too bad considering. You know, nothing special. Perfect for just some background noise. Came together really nice. The only real issue is the plexiglass display is pretty blurry. It needs, I cleaned it, but it needs buffed out to be perfect, but that's a lot of work. You'd have to disassemble this radio, and it's just not worth the effort to do that. But it turned out alright for what it is. It'll stay alive. Someone will enjoy it. Anyways, just like to document these random projects I do all the time. Take it easy, people.